In today's video, I want to explain to you exactly what the space of variations is. Okay, so this is from the Reality Transurfing process, and it is also referred to as the alternative space. All right, I'm going to boil this down for you into a very simplistic way of explaining it. And truly understanding this at a deeper level will allow you to manifest much more effortlessly. So let's get right into it. I'm still giving away my Reality Transurfing cheat sheet from my Reality Transurfing course. If you want to enter to win that, just give this video a thumbs up and quickly comment down below the phrase, I am. Okay, I select a few winners every week, so try out your luck. Maybe this time it'll be you. But now let's talk about the topic of the video, which is the space of variations, right? What exactly is this space? Where does it exist? And how does it affect your ability to create what you want? The alternative space, the space of variations, is a locationless space which contains infinite potential, which contains infinite alternatives of reality. Within it lies every single possible reality that you could possibly imagine, that you can conceive. Anything you can conceive, you can only conceive because it is one possibility out of the infinity of the alternative space. So where does this space exist? What's the significance of it? Again, it is locationless. It is transcendent of the physical three-dimensional reality. It exists within the infinite potential of this moment right here. The physical reality that you're experiencing right now, including your mind and body, are just one possibility, one potential of this infinite potential. And that's the idea that I want you to grasp through this video. This alternative space is not somewhere outside of you. It is not somewhere separate from you. It is a part of you. It is you. Now, when I say you, I don't mean you as in the person that is listening to this. I am referring to the awareness, which is infinite in its capacity, the awareness within which your entire world exists right now. Have you ever experienced anything in your life outside of your awareness? Ever? Even the mountains that you see miles off into the distance, are they not within your awareness? Even like the 10th birthday that you had, and it was a huge party or whatever, and everybody came over, was that entire party not within your awareness? See, within this awareness, that's what I want you to start paying attention to a little bit. The infinite potential of the now, of this awareness that is always here, present. And within it, images come and go. Images that we perceive to be physical, so solid, real reality, right? But all of these are just images coming in and going out of our awareness. Things coming up out of that infinite potential and then subsiding back into that infinite potential. Finding expression and then going back into just being nothingness potential. So what I want you to start now paying attention to is the fact that the alternative space is not separate from you. It is not outside of you. It is right here, right now. In fact, this is here, like right now, the feeling that you get when you, of the now, right? Of the present moment is that infinite potential within which one image is just happening right now. Now, knowing that this infinite potential exists within this moment and the next moment and the next moment, understand the significance of this. Understand the significance of the alternative space, the space of variations. This means that every single possible configuration of reality that you can imagine, that you can desire, is already a possibility. That it is possible for it to find expression in the physical, right? And then subside back as well. Just like your current reality has found expression and is subsiding back as well, eventually. This is significant because everything that you can conceive, everything that you can think of already does exist. Not on a physical level, but at a potential level, it does exist. And so you don't have to create anything. This completely shifts the entire paradigm of manifestation, of creating your own reality, right? Because when you get onto this journey, and this is what did it for me, right? Like understanding this concept at a very deeper level, it really helped me. It really helped me gain that confidence and maintain that faith on the journey that has allowed me to get this far. And this is something I constantly remind myself of. This is something that you just learn to integrate as you raise your awareness, as you meditate, as you elevate your level of conscious awareness. That within every moment contains infinite potential for every single possible configuration of reality. And this means that this small person doesn't have to go about bringing things into creation, forcing change upon the physical. It shifts that entire paradigm around, where you are no longer this little person supposedly creating reality, but rather you are this infinite potential. You are what you feel as the present moment. You are what you feel as the now. And within it, images come and go. You are this awareness, this infinite potential, the alternative space. And within it, images come and go. You are infinite potential. Your desire is a part of you. It is not separate from you. And so what's actually required to manifest within your awareness what you want is not so much like efforting and struggle and like grinding and doing things a conventional way, but rather bringing everything in your current awareness into alignment with your desired reality. So let's just say your desired reality is one of wealth, one of well-being, one of feeling good, one of feeling happy. Then within your current awareness, all the thoughts that you experience, all the emotions that you experience, all the actual experiences that you experience, start to make them be more aligned with that wealth, that abundance, that feeling of prosperity that you desire. And only once this existing, whatever exists in your current awareness starts to become more aligned with that wealth and abundance, will you actually start to manifest that expression into the physical. How beautiful and powerful is that? You have to now start to take responsibility for your experience. And instead of complaining about things, start to think of them positively. Instead of focusing on what you don't want, start to focus on what you do want. Instead of neglecting how you feel and just letting circumstances control how you feel, you have to become the controller of your state of being. You have to become the controller of your attention. You have to focus on thoughts that are in alignment with your desired reality. You have to feel the way you would if you were already living that life. You have to bring that energy into alignment. And obviously maybe certain circumstances you can't change right now to be in alignment with that, but you can at least change the way that you look at them, right? So maybe your money situation is not in alignment with your desired reality. That's okay. But at least you can look at the money situation and still feel abundant, still look at it in a way it's like, man, this is teaching me something. This is amazing. I'm blessed to actually have this opportunity to experience poverty, right? Change that perspective. Only once your perspective within your current awareness, everything in your current awareness becomes in alignment with your desired reality, that potential out of your infinite potential will also find expression within your awareness. That is major. I don't know if you understand the magnitude of what I'm saying to you right now. It shifts the entire paradigm of life. And if you start to create through this paradigm, it will change the nature of the results that you get. And just the nature of your experience right here and now. It's not even necessarily so much about the results, but like as to how you feel while on this journey, moment by moment. Because who wants to just feel good when they achieve their goal for like a couple of seconds and then again they're in the chase? You want to feel good now, and then now, and then now, and then now, even if you don't have your goal achieved. That's the real way to live. And by picking up this paradigm, that's how you'll be able to live as well. So watch this video again and really pay attention closely to what was said. I want you to really integrate this into your awareness. If you have questions regarding it, put them in the comment section below. Again, if you want to win the cheat sheet, comment down below I am. If you want my personal guidance to create the life you truly want to live through this higher consciousness mindset, right? Letting go of everything that no longer serves you, all those beliefs, and truly cultivating this powerful paradigm, this powerful mindset, bringing your vision from your imagination into physical reality. Click the link in the description box below and apply for my accelerated reality program. I'm doing free consults right now, and let's see how I can be of help to you at this time. All right, but other than that, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.